Today at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, School of Electrical, Electronic and Computer Engineering, we are having our open day in which the final year students who after 4 years of study present their projects. Today they will be demonstrating in this afternoon their projects to the public where they demonstrate the innovations that they have come up with in order to pass their final projects course, which is really their rite of passage to getting their degree and then moving on to either further studies or work. On display, or the students that are here this afternoon are from electrical engineering, electronic engineering and computer engineering. The electrical engineers deal with generation and transmission of power. The electronic engineers deal with electronic systems, information, and the computer engineers deal with computing and then sensing and then embedded systems as well. What we see today is a culmination of applying engineering to a real-world problem which is based in maths and physics as well. Our top electronic engineering student this year is Ravanya Maharaj. She's a very talented young engineer.
This is my Pi Zero sensor hub, where it is a low-cost version of my main sensor hub. These are my Pi 3 boards. This is a bit more high-cost sensor hub, where it has a user interface on the device. Here is where my external databases are sitting at, and where my hospital simulation is at. And this is just my client. This laptop acts as my client.
In computer engineering, we have Joshua Piggott. He produced a computer engineering system that is aimed at the military, and it's quite an exciting project.
The goal for this project was to create a system that would allow special forces teams to communicate in the field. This device here can be easily put on a special forces operative's arm to make it easily usable in the field. It's very light and easily carried. It comes with its own power source.
Our top electrical engineering student is Sayuri Nayagar, and she did a very advanced electrical engineering project.
I designed generator static protection for both high resistance and low resistance grounded generators.
I did mirror bit communication, which is communication assisted protection for sub-transmission and distribution systems.
In industry, women are not really put to the forefront in engineering.
When we come here, we are all treated the same. It doesn't matter whether you're female or male, we're all given the same treatment.
Generally, engineering is seen as a male-dominated field or discipline, but that trend is changing, especially with computing being more accessible to more younger students. So more females are coming through, and the ratio is changing slightly. The technologies that our students are producing is literally on the bleeding edge. For the students, what they produce is their projects. For us, our students are projects. And we're very proud that they produce things that are of world-class quality.
Today is the day that we academic staff feel very proud of our students. We've essentially taken them from a first year level where they arrive here knowing nothing about engineering, electrical, electronic, computer engineering, and we literally now, within 4 or 5 years, made engineers out of them.